Go like that, and then go like that.
All the animals here, guys. This is so cool. Right here. Check this out. And that's the RV, where the RV sites are located. Fresh organic eggs here. And check out the main character here of the farm.
Fred, this is Fred.
Oh, it's Fred?
Yeah.
Fred. Hey, Fred. How's that water?
Hey, Fred.
Today we're in Outside Inn Campground. That and more coming up next. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, it is, let me check the time, 4:40 in the morning. We're about to head out to the Carolinas for our winter series, winter getaway. We're gonna spend in about 3 weeks in the Carolinas. So yeah, follow along. And if you're new here, just want to thank you. So yeah, we're gonna get on the road right now and enjoy the journey. And we are ready to head out. Like doing a pre-check for everything, although I pre-checked everything last night, but you don't know what I possibly might have forgotten. Everything looks good on my end. Tires look good. So yeah, guys, always as a caution, always make sure you check your rig before you head out. All my lights are working, as you can see here. And we are off to the Carolinas. We have a long drive today. We probably got about 9 hours. We're first going to stop in South Carolina. We're checking out, I believe it's called Outside Inn Campground. It's supposed to be a ranch and they have RV sites. So let's check on the gang here. Everyone's ready to head out?
Yes.
Ready, Jasmine?
Yep.
Bean, you ready to head out? Before heading out, I came to the gas station here, fill up my generator, make sure I'm on the good side. I had no gas in the generator. I like having extra gas just in case the power goes out in the campground or whatnot, you know. Anyways, we're gonna get on the road right now. We're gonna stop at Buc-ee's and then South Carolina. So tag along and continue enjoying the show. What's up, guys? We arrived at our destination here in South Carolina. We are already set up here in our site. This is a beautiful RV park. It's a ranch as well, as you can see. Let me show you here. Let me give you a quick overview here. Cool campground here, located in south section of South Carolina. I believe the nearest city here is Santee, South Carolina. This is probably about 5 miles from I-95. And as we're heading to Asheville, we needed somewhere to stay in between, so we found this hidden gem here. We're gonna spend 2 days here, explore around this area, check out all the farm animals here, and bring you guys along.
Go like that, and then go like that. Hey guys.
These two are fighting.
Yeah, so I
Justin's fitting the gold. What an amazing experience here. Outside Inn. Whoa. Feeding the goats. Ooh. You liking it?
Yeah.
Such a cool experience here, guys. There goes Bean. Hey, Bean, how are you, bro? RV's back there. This beautiful ranch. And here's the RV park, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful hidden gem here in South Carolina. There goes the ranch. Beautiful sunset happening as we speak. Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go get some fresh eggs here from courtesy of our new stay here, Outside Inn Campground. You had a beautiful night, Jasmine?
Yep.
Yeah,
Cold.
yeah, it's a little bit chilly. You dropped to like 38, I think. Anyways, let's go get the eggs. This is so cool. Right here. Check this out. And that's the RV, where the RV sites are located. Let's get some fresh eggs here. Get some fresh eggs, Jasmine. It comes with your stay. Fresh organic eggs here. All right, we got our fresh eggs here. Outside Inn. Nice, cozy campground here in the South Carolina area. Anyways, we're gonna make some fresh eggs now with steak. And then I'll give you a tour of this entire park here in South Carolina. Again, the name of this place is Outside Inn Campground. That's our site right there, pull-through site, right across from the barn here. Beautiful, beautiful place here, as I mentioned earlier. Beautiful, beautiful. Breakfast ready. Check that out, y'all. Steak, eggs, avocado, and cottage cheese. How's your breakfast?
Super boss.
Okay. Oh man, that breakfast was good. Really good. Now I'm gonna give you a tour of the entire campground. Show you what this place looks like. So tag along and continue enjoying the show. Alright guys, campground tour for now. We're gonna go by the front and work our way in. Okay guys, we're here at the entrance of the campground. That's the name right there. This is the road here, but you're gonna come through that road over there. I believe it's 176, Highway 176. It's about 5 minutes or 10 minutes from I-95. So you're gonna come that way, come here, and turn in here. This is their name right here, Outside Inn, right there. And then we're gonna work our way inside. We got our professional driver here with her co-pilot, Bean. Gravel road. It's pretty wide. No trees obstructing the road. So any RV will fit through here. There's a dumpster over there. Okay, so once you come in this road here, they're gonna send you an email with all the instructions to go into your site. If not, you'll come to this billboard here. It's pretty much self-check-in. You're gonna scan that, and that's pretty much it, and you go off to your site. The place also offers propane fill, as you can see over there. And the campground, it's over there, so let's work our way in there now. And here's the campground, guys. the place offers this RV for you to rent, and it's right across the farm here. Check out the farm here, guys. Ducks, chicken, guinea hens. Let's work our way into the farm. Here's the rest of the farm here. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. This is the entire property here, as you can see. All the RV sites here are pulled through, which I showed you earlier. Fresh eggs for all the RVers here. And we have this guy here coming to say hi. Hi. Hey. You're on YouTube, dude. How you doing? Yeah. So yeah, guys, pretty cool here. This RV park here located in South Carolina. Santee, South Carolina. That's the nearest town here. And let's continue with the tour here. There's a playground here for the kiddos. They also have games here. Beanbag toss. Wood. So everything here is self-serve. You grab wood, whatever you grab, you just come here. Let me show you now. And this is where you're paid here. You drop your cash there, you scan that, and you send them their money. Here's the price for everything. Wood. So you got stickers, hats, merchandise. Pretty cool. They have all this stuff here, and since it's Christmas, it's decorated for Christmas here. And they have this area here for you to chill here, TV, watch a game. More tables here. And the RV park here at the distance. Check out the rest of the animals here. We got cows, goats. And that's where we were there yesterday, feeding the goats. Beautiful campground here, guys. There's a fire pit here. Do s'mores. Pretty cool trailer here for pictures and whatnot. Let's go to the bathhouse and show you how clean it is. There's also a trail system in here, which I did in the morning. Pretty cool too. I will say it's over a mile. So yeah, bathhouse here. Check out how clean and well maintained it is. So in this section here, you have bathrooms. Let me show you how clean it is. Check this out, guys. Pretty clean. And right here, you have showers. Let me show you how clean it is. Check it out. Wow. Pretty clean, guys. Farmhouse decor. Floor. Yeah, everything here is magnificent. Extremely well kept. You could definitely tell the owners put a lot of pride into this campground. From what I heard, there are RVers as well. And yeah, they have something really nice here. Let me show you one of the pull-through sites here. As you can see, it's a large site. This is site 20. They're all 50 amp service, 50 and 30. And this is another site right here. And the rest of the campground right here. All the outer sites, they're all back in. And then down there is the trail system that I told you earlier. And this is coming soon here. They're gonna have glamping here. Like it's gonna be really nice. Let's have a glimpse here of what it looks like. Oh, it's closed. It's gonna have a deck here. Perhaps a hot tub. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be nice, guys. And this huge tent here. It looks like it's gonna have a view from back here as well. Oh yeah, check that out, guys. Check that out. Facing this woodsy area here. Yeah, pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool here. This glamping tent here. And look who's having the time of his life. On the trail here, Bean, main character here of the farm. Hey dude, fluffy cow. I believe they're called Highland cow. I do not know his name, but he's one of the animals here, and he's gorgeous.
It's Fred. This is Fred.
Oh, it's Fred?
Yeah.
Fred. Hey Fred, how's that water?
Hey, Fred.
And we have all the goats coming in here to say hi.
Hey, Fred.
And here's Fred. Hey Fred, Fred likes you. Wow, what a beautiful animal.
Yeah.
Isn't this nice? Yeah. Farm animals and RV. And there you have it, guys. A full tour here of this hidden campground here, hidden gem here in South Carolina. Again, the name is Outside Inn RV Park. No, Outside Inn Campground. Anyways, what I'll do now is I'm gonna bring out the drone, give you guys a better view from up above, give you an idea how deep in the country we are. So yeah, guys, we got a fire going on. We are about to start getting on the grill. We're gonna make rice, steak, and shrimp, and we're just gonna chill here, and then we'll catch you guys tomorrow. That's what we cooked. We have shrimp, chicken, rice. You like your food? Mm-hmm. Okay, yummy. Let's check on Lena Poso. You like your food? Mm-hmm. Okay, Bean, you like your food? We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We got breakfast here. Today is our last day here in Outside Inn here in South Carolina. We're gonna have breakfast now, wrap everything up, and we're head over to our new destination. All right, guys. We are heading out. As you can see, we are all hitched up. Beautiful place here, by the way. Let me do a final walk through here. Make sure everything's good to be on the road. Anyways, this place was fantastic, phenomenal, amazing. If you're traveling along I-95, this place is ideal. If you want to stop over for a few days or just one night, it's perfect. Great hospitality, the farms, all that good stuff. Right now, we're gonna head over to our new destination as we continue our trip to Asheville. But now we're gonna stop over at Greensville, South Carolina. And that will be in our next video. With that being said, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you on the road.